Let's see, we have about, I would say that's about 11 or 12 inches on the front porch. And I don't know if you can see in here that it is just really still just snowing and coming down. It hasn't stopped. The wind is now picking up. And as you can see, the village has not removed snow from our street yet. There are people out building snowmen. And I'm waiting for our plows. They're going to show up here in about half an hour. Oh, and here comes, oh, what? What's the matter? Well, what's the matter? Huh? What's the matter? Are you mad about it? You don't like the snow? Makes you mad? Huh? Bye. Stop it. It's not. Hey, Court. Yes, he is. Hey, they're coming out at 7. He's out there shoveling, Cam, and he can't hear me say that they're going to come out in about a half an hour to shovel.
Should I go out and shovel?
No. Yes, honey, where are you? No, but I wish will you yell out to Court and tell him that they're coming in a half an hour to do all that? He's shoveling his walk and